welcome to Finamike. Hi guys, how is everybody doing? Please, today is your first time of coming. Sorry, I just came up. That is why I'm breathing like this. Please, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Follow your girl. Follow your girl. Here we'll deal with building. This is my baby, guys. Here we deal with building, more especially plumbing materials. You're welcome. It's all about building in Nigeria. That is what we do in this channel. It's all about building in, mainly it's all about building in Nigeria. I know that that's the only thing we do here. We equally sometimes vlog, sometimes we upload other things, but it's mainly about building. So guys, are you building in anywhere in Nigeria or even outside Nigeria? We are here for you to give you the best service you can ever think of. We distribute worldwide. We do that. We sell everything about plumbing, water closet, water tank, pipes, both PVC, galvanized, PP, PPR, anything that has to do with plumbing. We deal with it here, and our goods just arrived, so I'm going to share with you guys. Wherever, are you a seller? Are you selling plumbing material? Call on us. We distribute, we sell wholesales. We'll give you price that you would not go from elsewhere, and we deliver worldwide. Thank you so much and stay tuned. So let's watch.
You should get. I'm back. Mommy.
Drop a year.